The AdBlue warning light is a critical indicator in modern diesel vehicles that signals issues with your vehicle's emission control system. Understanding what this light means and how it progresses can prevent costly engine limitations. This orange warning light on your dashboard indicates an issue with the AdBlue system. The symbol typically shows a droplet above wavy lines, representing the diesel exhaust fluid used in emission control. AdBlue is a diesel exhaust fluid with a precise chemical composition that's essential for the emission reduction process. AdBlue consists of exactly 32.5% high-purity urea and 67.5% deionized water. This precise mixture must meet ISO 22241 standards to ensure proper system operation. The AdBlue works within the selective catalytic reduction system to convert harmful nitrogen oxides into harmless substances. The selective catalytic reduction system injects AdBlue into the hot exhaust stream. The heat converts the urea into ammonia, which then reacts with nitrogen oxides to produce harmless nitrogen and water vapor. The AdBlue warning system operates in distinct stages, each providing increasingly urgent alerts as the fluid level decreases. The warning system progresses through 4 distinct stages. Stage 1 begins with an amber information light when you have 1,500 to 2,400 kilometers of range remaining. Stage 2 shows a continuous amber warning when range drops to 500 to 1,000 kilometers, often accompanied by audible alerts to ensure driver awareness. Stage 3 escalates to a red warning light with a countdown display showing exact remaining distance, typically under 50 kilometers. This is your final opportunity to refill before restrictions begin. Stage 4 implements engine limitations, including 50% power reduction, speed restrictions, and in some cases, restart prevention. This ensures compliance with emission standards. Modern vehicles operate under enhanced Euro 6D emission standards, which have made AdBlue monitoring systems more sophisticated and sensitive than ever before. The Euro 6D ISC FCM standards introduced in recent years have significantly enhanced SCR monitoring capabilities. These regulations require more sensitive diagnostic systems and improved warning accuracy. Understanding these warning stages and the importance of the AdBlue system helps ensure your vehicle remains compliant with emission standards while avoiding costly engine limitations. Remember these key points. AdBlue is essential for emission reduction. Warnings progress through 4 stages. Ignoring them causes engine limitations, and modern systems are more sophisticated than ever. AdBlue warning lights have 4 main causes. Understanding these causes helps you fix the problem quickly and get back on the road. 60% of AdBlue warnings are simply due to low fluid levels. This is the easiest problem to fix and should always be your first check. Here's your systematic troubleshooting approach. Start with the most common cause and work through each step methodically. Let's examine each troubleshooting step in detail, starting with checking the AdBlue level and proper refilling procedures. Step 1 is checking the AdBlue level. Most modern vehicles display the AdBlue level on the dashboard. Always use ISO 22241 compliant AdBlue when refilling to ensure proper system operation. If the AdBlue level is adequate, the next step is checking for quality issues and contamination problems. Quality issues account for 20% of AdBlue warnings. Use a refractometer to test AdBlue concentration. Good AdBlue should be clear and colorless, while contaminated AdBlue appears cloudy or crystallized. When basic checks don't resolve the issue, diagnostic scanning becomes necessary to identify specific system faults. Use an OBD scanner to read specific fault codes. Common codes include P152100 for starter disabled and U10E87 for communication faults. Persistent codes typically require professional service for system flushes or component replacement. When troubleshooting is successful, the warning light can be reset and normal operation restored. Modern AdBlue systems show 95% reliability over 150,000 kilometers. False warning rates have significantly decreased since 2022, making these systems much more dependable for daily operation. Prevention is better than repair. Predictive maintenance and telematics systems help monitor AdBlue levels and schedule refills before warnings occur. Fleet studies show that predictive maintenance reduces roadside AdBlue emergencies by 85%. Automated monitoring systems schedule refills before warnings occur, improving both efficiency and reliability. Most AdBlue issues are completely preventable with proper monitoring and maintenance.